Imagine waking up tomorrow, not in your bed, not in your city, but 50,000 years ago. The air is colder. The forests are endless. The only light comes from a small fire crackling in the darkness. Around it sits a group of ancient humans. No books. No science. No medicine. No idea how the human brain really works. And yet, before this night is over, one of them is about to make a discovery that will silently shape human history forever. Not the wheel. Not farming. Not metal. Something far stranger. Something that millions of people still chase today. Imagine watching one hunter return from the forest carrying a handful of strange leaves. Cluster of unfamiliar mushrooms, or the dried flowers of a wild plant no one has ever touched before. He doesn't know what they are. He isn't searching for a drug. He isn't trying to escape reality. He's simply hungry, curious, just trying to survive. At first, nothing happens. The others continue talking around the fire. The flames dance across the cave walls. The wind whistles through the trees. Then, everything changes. But here's where the story becomes even stranger. That first experience may never have been repeated if the ancient human had died. Nature is filled with poisonous plants. Some stop your heart. Some destroy your liver. Some paralyze your muscles within hours. Some paralyze your muscles within hours. To our ancestors, every unfamiliar berry, every strange root, every colorful mushroom was a gamble between life and death. There were no warning labels, no doctors, no emergency rooms, only trial and survival. So why would anyone keep experimenting? Because curiosity is one of humanity's oldest instincts. Long before we built cities, explored, we questioned. We tested everything around us. Every new plant was a mystery. Could it be food? Could it heal a wound? Could it make hunting easier? Or could it unlock something hidden inside the mind? Scientists believe ancient humans carefully observed animals. If deer repeatedly ate certain leaves, people noticed. If monkeys searched for particular fruits during certain seasons, people remembered. If birds became strangely energetic after eating fermented berries, someone eventually became curious enough to try them. 2. Nature itself became humanity's first teacher, and sometimes nature taught lessons no one expected. One of the strongest theories suggests that the earliest mind-altering substances weren't discovered for pleasure at all. They were discovered by accident. Imagine a pile of forgotten fruit lying on the ground. Days pass. The sun heats it. Wild yeast begins feeding on the sugar without anyone realizing it. Alcohol is born. A thirsty traveler takes a drink. Minutes later, the world feels different. His fear begins to fade. His body feels lighter. His thoughts become strangely relaxed. He laughs for no reason. The people around him have never seen anything like it. They don't understand fermentation. They don't know about ethanol. All they know is that the mysterious fruit juice changed a human being completely. Now imagine witnessing that thousands of years ago. Would you believe it was science or magic? Most ancient people chose the second. Answer: across the world, long before written history, many cultures believed certain plants contained spirits. Some thought they were gifts from the gods. Others believed they opened invisible doors between humans and another world. Perhaps that's because the experience itself felt impossible to explain. How do you describe colors becoming brighter, time slowing down, or hearing sounds that don't exist, when your language doesn't even have words for those feelings? Maybe you simply call it divine, but something even more fascinating was happening inside the human brain. Without realizing it, our ancestors were discovering chemicals that had evolved for millions of years. The plants weren't trying to entertain humans. Most of them created these powerful chemicals to protect themselves from insects and hungry animals. Nicotine, caffeine, THC, even many psychedelic compounds originally evolved as natural defense systems. Yet somehow, the most intelligent species on Earth found a completely different use for them. Instead of avoiding these chemicals, humans became fascinated by them. And that raises an even bigger question. If these substances were designed to keep animals, wait, why did humans keep coming back? The answer lies deep inside the most complex object in the known universe, the human brain. And once our ancestors accidentally discovered how certain plants could change, the way that brain worked, everything changed. Curiosity became discovery. Discovery became history. There was no turning back.